Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign into your Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Remitly's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and password associated with your Remitly's account and tap on sign in. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can sign into your Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.